Welcome back to CRC's Garage. I'm Chris. In this episode, we'll be working on the D150. The way that it sits now, the truck's got an awful drone on the highway. So we're going to swap out the Flowmaster mufflers that are on it now for some Powerstick mufflers. I wanted to try those for a while. I've heard a lot of good things about them. And we'll see how it changes the sound of the truck and if it gets rid of that drone or if we're going to have to do something else to get rid of that drone. But that's what we're doing this episode, is swapping out mufflers and hopefully eliminating that highway drone. So here's an internal shot of the MagnaFlows. It's basically a straight through design with a perforated cone on the inlet side and on the outlet side. So that's how they're designed. This is what the Powerstick mufflers look like. They have perforated cups that scoop into the exhaust stream all the way around. Yeah, so there's the Powerstick mufflers. Like I said, I've heard some good things about them, but I don't know, it's just because of how short my exhaust is. Yeah, the drone's terrible with these. I'll keep them, I'll save them, I'll try them on another project to see if they sound better on something else. But yeah, for the truck, they're just not working. So I think I like these just a little bit better than the Powersticks. For whatever reason, the Powersticks, they sound all right, but the drone is terrible. I heard a lot of good things about them, but for whatever the reasons are with my setup, is the drone's terrible on my truck. And I have a really short exhaust system because it's a standard cab, long bed, but I have the exhaust dumping out right before the rear axle, so it's not going over the rear axle and dumping out the back of the truck. So yeah, the drone's terrible. The drone was better with these, but not completely gone. That's why I wanted to try the Powersticks. So hopefully, to get rid of the drone, I'm gonna put a set of resonators on. They're Vibrant Performance ones. Resonators, so we'll put these on furthest upstream, and then we'll put the MagnaFlows back on behind them towards the end of the exhaust system. So hopefully that'll get rid of the drone. So I like the sound of the Flowmasters just a little bit better than the Powerstick mufflers, and they were shorter. So when trying to fit the resonators and the Flowmaster mufflers in the space that I had available, it was easier to fit the Flowmasters and the resonators than trying to get the Powersticks, because Powersticks were probably 6 to 8 inches longer or something like that. But the tone on the drone on the highway, the camera doesn't pick it up very well, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I'd say with the resonators and the Flowmaster mufflers, the drone is about 75 to 80% gone. It's a whole lot better. I'm very happy with it now. But yeah, I don't understand why those Powerstick mufflers didn't work the way I thought they would. I heard a lot of good things about them, like I said, and we'll save them. We'll try them on my Barracuda, and the Barracuda will have a lot longer exhaust system, and I can fit resonators with the Powerstick mufflers if we need to on that too. But yeah, I'm happy how it turned out. That's really all that matters. So stay tuned. Please subscribe. I got some engine builds coming up, and probably, I think in 2 episodes we'll do an intro to the engine builds. So yeah, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Try to help me build this channel. So yeah, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.